What's up, world? It is your boy Els, and look what I got. Yes, in all its glory, it is the iPhone 4S, and today I'm going to unbox it. I just spent 9 to 10 hours outside of Apple in line. Yeah, I don't even know how many hours it was, but I had like pizza and tacos and coffee, and yeah, I hung out with a lot of cool people, Apple heads, so yeah, and that was a really fun experience. So let's get to this. Let's open the brand new iPhone 4S. First I'm going to show you the box. Apple sign, iPhone 4S on this side, iPhone 4S on this side. I got the white 16 gig, and this is the back. Let me try to steal my serial number and stuff. So yes, let's open it. Oh, this kind of hurts my nail. Includes iPhone 4S, Apple earphones with remote and mic, dock connector to USB cable, and USB power adapter. Wi-Fi, GPS, all that. First phone with Bluetooth 4.0. Here it is, phone. It's white. As we know, I had a black iPhone and I decided to switch it up because you get a new phone and it's so look new. So why get a black one? Same candy bar design, new inside. New camera, Siri system on it. And here's the box again. Here are the contents, USB power adapter, the USB cord, and the headphones. This thing turned on. This is the first power up of my iPhone 4S. Let's test out Siri. What's the weather like today?
Here's the forecast for today.
And there it brings up the weather. Let's try something else. What is a good Mexican restaurant?
I found 16 Mexican restaurants. 13 of them are fairly close to you. I've sorted them by rating.
And now it finds the restaurants for me. Let's try something else. Play music.
There's nothing in your music library. Just silence.
Oh, she said just silence. I'm drunk and I need a taxi.
I found 17 cats. 15 of them are fairly close to you.
And that is Siri. I will do another review later, so you guys like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Peace. Els over and out.